Hello and welcome to this video where we will show you how you can create your own author website using WordPress. Today this video is from advanced software where we can help you create your ultimate online presence, help you with your website, your online growth and so on. Please check the description below for a free 30-minute consultation that you can book with us to tell the needs of you and help you in your work. So now, first thing first, what is WordPress? WordPress is a website a content management system that is powering almost 30% of the online websites out there, where you can have your website available within just a few clicks and have this website able to take your content and so on and post it online. Now, to create a WordPress website and to have your online presence as an author, it shall not take you more than just a few minutes, and we will help you in advanced software. Now, we are inside our own hosting panel from Bluehost, and depending on the hosting provider that you are using, GoDaddy, Bluehost, whatever hosting provider you have, you will be able to add and install WordPress websites. Now it's up to you to choose the hosting provider. With the hosting provider, you will need to have a domain name, which is the name of the website that is appearing in the address bar. Domain costs you about $10 up to $20 per year. Hosting varies between 60 up to maybe hundreds of dollars per year, but you don't really need to spend a whole lot at the beginning. Just a really normal host will be more than enough for you. You don't need to go and spend a lot of money. Now we will install our own WordPress website, and here I'm gonna add the name of the website. So I'm gonna call it My Next Great Book, my author site. So now, after I add the site name and I add the site tagline, I can select like some few optionals plugins, as you can see over here, and remember that it varies from a hosting provider to another. I will install it over here. I'll click next, and as you can see, now my site is getting set up. And that's actually the steps that I need to take to create an author website using WordPress. As you can see, within just a few minutes I was able to create that website, have it published, and here we are able to see that our WordPress site has been created successfully. So now I'll log into the WordPress website, and after we log into the WordPress website, we will be able to see the content, the available features and plugins for our own website. And also remember, advanced software is always here to help you with creating and setting up your website and your online presence. So now we have our website up and running. Let me just activate the site for you. Now again, remember that it's different between what we call the hosting provider. So you might see these options or not, depending if you are using Bluehost.com as your hosting provider. Now, if I go to the site for you, notice that I have my site created where I can add my content, I can add my pages. I have here the Hello World blog post, and here I can maybe leave a comment, so on and so forth. So now let's close all of that. Let's head over to posts. Now posts is the place where you can add blog posts for your website. Over here we're gonna come down here and add some new blog post. Now I'm gonna call it over here my new blog post. Hello, this is my first blog. So now after you add your first blog over here, notice with me that you can add with the WordPress editor, you can add different items, you can add images, paragraph, some other different elements, maybe a video, maybe a tweet, and so on. Now after you finish and you have your blog post created, just hit publish to have your blog post online available. So as soon as I publish this blog post, I'll be able to see it online. And this is my blog post. As you can see, I have created it. I can see it. I can see like the text I created, if I added images, so on so forth. I can edit this. So now after we have created our own blog post, I want you to notice with me something. If you notice up here, we have this title, which doesn't make any sense and doesn't give value for us, and also will not help us rank higher inside the search engines. We wanna make our websites search engine friendly to rank higher and to get more visitors for free from the search engine. After I add a new post, I wanna see the blog post title in the browser over here. So now to do so, let's head back to the WordPress dashboard. I'll go to settings, I'll go to permalinks, where I can select different blog post format. Now it's up to you to choose whatever you find suitable. My preference is to have the same post name available, and you can add some different things, the author, the date, time, and so on. It's up to you. So now after I added and updated the site permalinks, now if I go to the blog post, notice with me that I have a clean title, more understandable and more comprehensive for me and my user and the search engine. So now this is actually what we need to have our website online up and running. It's nice, it's easy to do, it doesn't take much time, and so on. But what if I want to change how my website looks? I can come to themes and I can look for a free theme from WordPress website. Where can I install it and activate it? Maybe let's say I wanna use this one, the shiny, or this one. Let's preview this one. This one looks okay, it's look decent enough, and we're gonna install it and activate it, and we will see our entire website look has it changed. Sorry. Notice this is the new look of the website, which is look, I think, much better than the before one. We need to just refresh, and as you can see, now not the best for sure, but it's something much easier on the eye. Now also, if you don't like this, you can go simply to theme forest website and look for different WordPress website themes for you to meet your needs. Now also we can add and extend our own WordPress website and add more functionality to it by looking for plugins. And if I go to plugins and select install the plugins, I'll like be able to add a new plugin which allow me to extend my functionality. For example, maybe I wanna, let's say, I wanna have pop-up to allow user to sign up to my mailing list, which is a really important thing. I can choose whatever pop-up I like this. Okay, I can see some screenshots. How does it look like? How will it look like in the browser? Now select whatever plugin you find suitable. Okay, I'll take this one, and after I install it and activate it, I have more and more capability inside my WordPress website. Now I can go to the pop-up maker over here, as you can see, and I can add a new pop-up. I'm gonna call it test. So I'm gonna say the trigger is like this. Hopefully like it can be nice. Okay, so I'm gonna update or publish this pop-up, and now it will be available on my website. You can add many different plugins, for example stores and so on, and the ability to get paid online via your website over here. And let's maybe review the pop-up so you can understand what I mean. As you can see, here is the pop-up with the title that we added it. So as you can see, we have the full functionalities over here. If we want to extend our own WordPress website, we can simply come down here, add a new plugin. If we want to post a new blog, we can come down here to posts and add a new post, and it will be available online. I recommend at least a single blog weekly to have a much better exposure inside the Google search engine result. So here you have it. Here is a tutorial on how to set up author website with WordPress. Hopefully you liked it. Please make sure you subscribe to our channel. You can book a free consultation with us and help you create your own website from advanced software. Please check the link down below to get to us and reserve your appointment. We hope you enjoyed this tutorial, and we see you in next tutorials.